everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven, and thank you very much for joining me today. And as promised, I said I would show you how you make the pom-poms using the pom-pom makers that come in the Creative Craft kit. So I showed you how to make the tassels the other day, and you will find that on my channel. I'm going to insert a picture now where I have made a pom-pom using the thread that comes in this kit, and I added that to my album that I did for Simply Made Crafts the other week. But today, like I said, we're going to be using wool, and here is one of the pom-poms. So this one here is using the medium size, but today we're going to be using the smaller one. So this is what it looks like, and we need to open this up. So on either end of your pom-pom maker, you will have two of these half circles here. So we've got two here, and then we've got two this end. So you're going to get your wool, and we're going to start wrapping it around these two half circles here. So it depends on how full you want this pom-pom. If you want it quite full, then you just add quite a lot of wool around these areas here. If you want it not as full, then don't add as much wool. So you want to just keep wrapping it around, but you want to make sure that you don't go on these two areas here. You want to make sure that is clear all times. So just keep going around wrapping it until you've got it how you want it. This into the middle, over to this side, and we can continue wrapping this around this end. Okay, so that's what that looks like now, and then we're going to fold that into the middle. So you've got the wool on this side and also this side. Then we're going to just trim off this bit of wool here. Then you're going to get a pair of sharp scissors, and you want to just tuck it underneath the wool in the middle there, and we're going to cut along the center like that. Do the same to the other side. So again, just go underneath like that. Then you need to get a bit of wool again, so I'm going to just cut some off, and we're going to wrap this around the middle. So just place it underneath, bring it to the top, and then we're going to tie a knot. So I'm going to do a double knot, and then when you bring your knot down, it needs to go in between, right in down in that middle area there, because it's basically tying this pom-pom together. So I'm going to do a double knot just to make sure that stays in place like that. Okay, and I'm going to trim some of this off, but for this one I didn't leave any to be able to add this, you know, to hang it to something. So if you want to have this hanging off something, then just cut your wool, but leave a bit so then you can tie that off in a knot and add that to your project. So you're basically going to open this all up now, and then you pull this apart like that. Okay, and there you have your pom-pom, and just go in and trim any of that pom-pom to make it all look nice and neat, and then just tie that into a knot, and you can add this to your project. You can also add one of the clips from that kit and attach that onto there, and there you go. That is how you make the pom-poms using the pom-pom maker. So that's the small one, and that is the medium one. So I hope that was helpful, and you give it a go, and don't forget to check out my video on how to make the tassels as well. This product will be listed down below if you want to go and purchase this over on CraftStash. I will also link CraftStash YouTube channel down below as well, so you can go and check their YouTube out as well for more inspiration ideas. So take care guys, and I will see you all very soon. Bye for now.